Hello everybody, welcome back to my dorm cooking video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you two side dishes. The first one is the corn stir fry with the butter and garlic, and the other one is the infinite capsicum with kimchi. The ingredients are included capsicum, corn, tuna in can, garlic, and green chili. The sauces and the seasonings are included kimchi soy sauce, sesame, dry seaweed flakes, salt, chili powder, and butter. So firstly, we are going to do the infinite capsicum with kimchi. Actually, the infinite capsicum is comes from Japanese food, and it's very nutritional and very good for our health. As usual, we just cut in everything in portions. Actually, when we chop the garlic, I suggest better to chop them as fine as possible, because later on we are going to use them for the corn stir fry. So now we start to cook the infinite capsicum with kimchi. As we are waiting for the capsicum to be cooked, we can now doing multitasks, which is cutting off the corns in portions. Actually, the corn is already being cooked, so it's soft and easy to cut off. Let's get back to the capsicum. It's about to be ready. Now we add some preserved tuna on top of the capsicum. Then we garnish with some sliced green chili and some chopped garlic. Then spread some sesames on the top of it. Here you go, our infinite capsicum with kimchi is done. Okay, let's get started with our second side dish, the corn stir fry with butter and garlic. In order to make the corn to be softer taste, we need to cover up, and then we cooked until it's stir fry until it's nice golden brown. Then we can add some soy sauce or any sauce you would like to add on, and later on add the chopped garlic, stir fry evenly. Then we are about to finish. Actually, you can use the mashed garlic instead of chopped garlic, which you can buy from the supermarket. Because I don't have one, so I chop the garlic myself. What I have been doing here is I add the kimchi on the bottom layer, and then stick on by the corn stir fry. Then garnish with some sliced green chili. Finally, spread some dry seaweed flakes. Now we have been finished our second side dish, which is the corn stir fry with garlic and butter. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. I will be seeing you very soon. See you next time. Bye.